Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2021 Aime1 problem number 9. Let ABCD let ABCD be an isosceles trapezoid with AD equals BC and AB less than CD. Suppose that the distance from A to the line BC, that's line BC, and CD and BD are 15, 18, and 10. So, respectively, right? Let K be the area of ABCD. So K is the area of the ABCD. ABCD. Find the square root of 2 times K. So here, we just want to find the area of ABCD, then times square root of 2. Okay, and here we don't know AB and CD, but we know the height is 18. So if we can find AB and CD, then we will calculate the ABCD area of the trapezoid. So we know this is parallel to this, right? And we got a lot of right triangle. So first we can find the similar triangle, and then we can get the same ratio and find something of that. So at first we know this triangle ABE is similar to ADG. Why? Because this angle plus this angle, angle DAB is 180 degrees. They are supplementary. And because the isosceles trapezoid, so this angle DAB congruent to this angle, right? So it means this angle plus this angle is 180 degrees, and this one is the same. Angle ABE. So this angle congruent to this angle, and all of them are right triangle. So these two triangles are similar. Then we can get some relationship between them. Let us suppose that AB is X. So we can use X to represent AD. Then we can got the DG. Use X. If we got DG and then we know the IC, they are symmetry, they're the same, right? And if this X, GI is X. So if we find X, then we will got the area of ABCD. Then next similar triangle we can easily to find, because this is parallel, AB parallel to CD. So this angle, let me see, this one and this one, they are the same. And also in this triangle, or we can use this triangle, not ADG, we can use BDI. It's also a right triangle, and this is BI is 18, right? And we know AF is 10. We will use all of the given information, and here is X, and we know this DG can represent with X, and then we will got the equation, then we solve it, find the X, then we got the area. Yeah, let's go. So for the triangle ABE, similar to the triangle ADG, right? Then we got the corresponding AB, and here is AD. So, and AE we know is 15, and AG is 18, right? AG is 18. So 18 equals 5 over 6 equals, we know this is X, this is 15. So this is X, and here is AD. Then we got AD equals 6x over 5, right? This 6x divided by this 5, then we got 80. So AD is 6/5 x. Then what will be this dg? Then we got dg equals, so this is 6/5 x squared minus 18 squared, right? That's dg. If we got dg, now we will use this triangle, similar this triangle. So I mean, we can use now, we will use triangle ABF. Triangle ABF. Similar the triangle BDI. So we want to use this 10, yeah, AF, right? AF. Here is BI. BI is 18. AF is 10 over 18. That's 5/9, right? 10. And equals this BF. So BF and DI. BF, what's BF? That's square root x squared minus 10 squared, right? This minus Pythagorean Theorem tell us. So that's BF. And how much for BI? Oh, no. DI, yes. DI, here is D, right? DI is x plus square root of this one, dg. dg, so we can say is 36/25 x squared minus 18 squared. Now, we just solve this equation, and then we will find x. If we find x, yeah, we will got all of them. It means we solved it, right? So how to solve this equation? Of course, crossing multiplication. So 5x plus 5 times 36/25 x squared minus 18 squared equals 9 square root of x squared minus 100. Or we can say 10 squared. Then each side squared, okay? Now 25x squared plus 25, then times 36/25 x squared minus 18 squared plus 25, so 50x square root of this one, 36x 25 x squared minus 18 squared, so that's 81, then x squared minus 100. Then we will do something, right? So here is x plus this one, so we will keep this left hand side. So 50x and the square root of 36/25 x squared minus 18 squared equals, and here is 81x squared and minus this 25x squared, and here minus 36x squared, right? And now 9 squared times 10 squared. I just ran 9 squared minus this. And here is plus 5 squared times 18 squared, right? So it's correct? No problem, right? So we will find, here is x, yes? And this one, the right hand side, this is the same, right? That's 90 squared, also 90 squared. So they are cancelled. I mean, they are the same thing. So this is how much? That's 61. 81 minus 61 is 20x squared. So each side divided by 10x. So we will got 5x. Okay, we just go this side. Okay, yes. We will go this side, 5x and the square root square root of this one. And we got 5x. Oh, each side cancel the x, right? Here is x, and here is got another x. So that's just 5 times square root of 36, 25x squared minus 18 squared, and equals each side divided by, so it's 2x. Now we will go on for squared 25 times 36 over 25x squared minus 18 squared, then 4x squared, right? 4x squared, then we got how much? 36x squared minus 5 squared times 18 squared, right? And equals 4x squared. Then we got 32x squared equals 5 times this one is 90 squared, right? And each side divided, so we got x squared equals 90 squared over 32. And we know 32 is 90, because we will got x, they will take square root of this 90, and here is 4, and I times square root of 2, here is square root of 2, right? So then that's 45 over 2, 45, we got 45 over, what's this, 45, now that's 45 over 2, square root of 2, right? Okay, that's x squared. Now we got this step. Then we will find how much for dg. dg, we know dg is the square root of this one. dg, so 5 6, right? 5 over 6 times x squared, this is 90 squared over 32, and minus 18 squared, then take the square root of that, right? So how much for this one? We can calculate for this is 5 to, oh, so x squared, so squared, right? Yeah, almost good. This is squared, that's 6 over 5, this is squared minus 0, and we will got how much for this one, and we'll go over there, and 6 squared is 2 squared times 3 squared, and 90 we go back, 5 squared times 18 squared, and over here is 5 squared times 32 is 2 times 2 squared times 2 squared, 4, 16 times 2, 32, and minus 18 squared, right? And how much we can got? 2 squared and 2 squared just cancel 1, and 5 squared and 5 squared just cancel 1, and here 18 we can use 2 squared times how much? 9 squared, right? So got another just, and this one just the 9 squared, so equals square root of 3 squared times 9 squared over how much? Over 2, right? Then minus, so is minus 18 squared. So finally we got which one? So 9 of square root of 2, right? Yes. So And I will go to the next step to find the area of ABCD. So ABCD is equal, this is x and this is another x, so it's 2x plus 2dg times 18, and finally we times 1/2, right? So times 1/2, so this one 2 and 2, so equals x plus dg, then times 18, so we know dg is this one, and we know x is here, right? So what will be? That's 445 square root of 2 plus this one I just changed it, 4, here is 18 square root of 2, then times 18. So how much for this one? That's 63 square root of 2, right? Over here is 2, and then times 9. That's k. The area of this one, ABCD, that's k. We want to find, finally to find, the answer is square root of 2. Square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times k equals, so 63 times 9, then times square root of 2 over 2, then times square root of 2. So this square root of is 2 over this 2, so 63 times 9 is how much? 5, 6, 7, right? That's the final answer. We are done. Yes. So for the whole problem, the most important, I think we just used the similar triangles and solve the equation and find how long for AB. And so just a lot of calculation. It's not so hard, but we should calculate carefully, and then we will find the correct answer. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.